This is your KCTV5 News Update.
And this morning, KCTV5 is following the very latest developments in the race to distribute a COVID vaccine. The CDC voting to give the first shots to healthcare workers and those living in nursing homes, as well as assisted living centers. A local doctor has a say in this matter, actually. Dr. Kevin Alt is an OBGYN at University of Kansas Health. You can see him right here. He is also a member of the CDC's Vaccine Advisory Committee. Dr. Alt says it is now up to the states, hospitals, and nursing homes to decide which people will get the first shots.
Macro planning was that we're going to have healthcare workers in this group. Micro planning, I think, is where you get involved because you're going to have to decide, which order to do things in, which physicians, which healthcare workers, which providers get the vaccine first at your facility.
The advisory committee's work, it is not done yet. They will have to meet again after the FDA approves of the first emergency use authorization.
The number of tests hasn't rebounded after the Thanksgiving holiday. So these are the latest numbers from the New York Times. So the black line that you see right here, that's Missouri. The blue one is Kansas. You can see testing numbers. They were high before the holiday. Then they fell over the weekend and continued falling on Monday. That's not necessarily a bad thing. Now, if you were exposed to the virus on Thanksgiving, you can go get tested right now.
That 5 to 7 day mark. And again, why do we land on that? It's nothing hard or set in stone, but that is the time when most people, if they do have symptoms, will have symptoms. But unfortunately, we've seen up to 40% or more of people will not have symptoms.
For that reason, local doctors are asking people who gathered outside of their homes to quarantine. Luckily, you won't have to wait the full 14 days. Yesterday, the CDC shortened its recommended quarantine times. If you test negative, you can stop isolating after 7 days. If you don't get tested, you should wait 10 days.
Good Wednesday morning to you. We're waking up to temperatures this morning in the upper 20s and lower 30s. We'll see a lot of cloud cover moving into our area for today ahead of that next storm system that will bring rain and snow chances across the southern portions of our area by our Thursday. For today, though, a dry run with some sun mixing with those clouds this morning. Mostly cloudy skies this afternoon as we top out near 48 degrees for today. We'll have more on that rain and snow mix heading our way on KCTV5 News this morning.
Turn to KCTV5 News for the latest all day. This is your personalized update because KCTV5 News stands for you.